What makes cold-pressed moringa seed oil a superleaf hero? And why is it at the core of Yvaan's approach?
Today, ancient wisdom meets cutting-edge science, unlocking moringa's concentrated power for a radiant tomorrow.
Moringa oil is a powerhouse of nutrients, richer in vitamins A, C, and E, and packed with antioxidants. In the heart of India, a secret has blossomed for centuries, or the moringa, revered as the miracle tree. For optimal glow, pigmentation repair, and fine line softening benefits, Yvaan Radiance Oil integrates beautifully into your nightly ritual. Beyond the transformative physical benefits, Yvaan aims to create a truly holistic experience. This is Yvaan, your journey to radiant skin, deeply rooted in nature, elevated.
Ancient roots, modern radiance. Infused with moringa oil and vitamin E for nourishment and radiance.